Now let's find 42% of 800. Right, let me just tell you something. In your arithmetics paper, it might be written down like this sometimes. 42% multiply by 800. But this just means of, okay? Don't be confused. Don't just think, oh, I don't know how to do that. That means of. Okay, so how do we find 42% of 800? First of all, let's find our 10% of a number. 10% of any number, we take a number and we divide it by 10. So 10% of 800 is going to be 800 divided by 10, which is 80. 40%. Can we find 40%? Well, we know our 10% is 80. To find 40%, we need to multiply our 80 by 4. And we can do that in your head. 4 times 8 is 32. And we also have a 0 here at the end. So 80 times 4 is 320. So 40% of 800 is 320. Now we need to find 2%. Before we find 2%, let's find 1% of 800. To find 1%, we divide the number by 100. So 800 divided by 100 is going to be 8. So that's 1%. 2% of 800. If we know our 8%, our 2% is going to be double our 8, 16. So we know 40% of 800. We know 2% of 800. That's 40%. That's 2%. Can we find 42% of 800 now? Yes, we can. We can add these two numbers together. And we're going to get 336. So 42% of 800 equals 336. 336. Let's check. Is our answer smaller than our original number? Yes, it is, because it should be. And it's less than half. Yeah, less than half. So we're about right.